Okay, cylinder's back on, everything's tightened down, cylinder head. Alright, so adjusting, you want to tighten this, make sure it's fully in the counterclockwise, can't go further back. Tighten this down, you can stick a plug in here and it'll hold it so you can tighten it. And adjusting it, as in the manual, you want to make sure on the left side you have a clearance after you tighten it down of 0.5 millimeters or 0.2 inch. So, best way to describe that, I think, is right there on the end there. When you tighten it, you want to make sure it comes out like that a little bit, and then measure it, and keep doing it till you get the right clearance. And that's how you do that so far. Alright, so I'll tighten it down, measure my clearance with my feeler gauge, and then I'll show you guys what I mean from there. Alright.